Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another muddy garage cleanup video. Now, today's giant mess was brought to you by the 2002 Ford F-250 from a little while back, and as always, we'll kick things off with some pressure washing footage so you can see exactly where all the mud came from. Alright, well, getting to work on covering my garage floor with mud now, and I don't know about you guys, but I personally happen to love the older Ford Super Duties. My dad actually used to have a 2001 F-350 that was Toreador red, and man, that was a nice truck. Never got anywhere near this dirty though. Starting on the wheels, and the huge offset on these rims makes it a little more difficult to get behind the spokes sprayed out, as I can't get the same angle with the pressure washer. So later on, when I was working on the underside, I made sure to spray from behind the wheel to get any dirt that might have been missed. Alright, well, with the truck on the driveway, it's time to get to work on cleaning up the mud. So with my trusty green broom that I've had to duct tape back together numerous times, and the hose, I'll start pushing it into the drain. And the main reason I chose to use the broom today instead of just the pressure washer is because the mud was right out to the edges of the floor, and I wanted to be able to keep things relatively dry and clean since the pressure washer tends to be a bit messier. Now, while I continue working on the floor, I wanted to let you guys know that the huge Detail Geek Black Friday sale is on now at detailgeekautocare.com, and the sale is site-wide, so be sure to check it out and get your holiday shopping done early this year. Alright, well, with the mud in the pit, it's time to get it cleaned out, so I'll get the grates removed and get to work. And for anyone out there with questions like, why don't you use a shop vac, or how much is your water bill, or doesn't all that mud clog your drain? Well, I've done several of these garage cleanup videos on the channel, and I've tried to answer all of the usual questions as much as I can in those videos, so by all means check those out, and chances are I've probably answered your question in at least one of them. Okay, with all the mud out now, I'll fill it back up with water and will then scoop out that dirty water one more time. And if you're wondering if this is a smelly job, well, you'd be right. When there's no water in the pit, there is a bit of sewer gas smell that does come up, so thankfully this whole job only takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed getting to see all of that mud get cleaned up today. And if you enjoy these garage cleanup videos, please make sure you let me know down in the comments and smash the thumbs up button on this video. Otherwise, enjoy the guitar outro and I'll see you guys in the next one.